Hello guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly. On this video, I'm going to show you what I did to my mom real fast and real quick. I just wanted to surprise her with something cute. So I decided to do this decorations that I'm going to go and show her some love. And I hope you guys like it. There's just something very simple that you could do at home to make your mom feel special. Let's not forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you haven't hit that little bell button to get you notified every time I post a video, now is the time to do so. Make sure to watch it until the end where I show you different ways that I arranged the decorations, so you could do it as however you would like it and however you would think it look better. These are very simple to make and I hope you guys like it. So with that said, let's get started into this video. So the first thing I did was grab my gold balloons and I'm going to inflate them. And when you do, make sure that you make them all the same size. So try to do it the same size as possible, just like that. Then just continue blowing your balloon until you do the whole 4 balloons. Then once you do, just tie 2 of them together. And after you tie them together, what you're going to do is just flip it, twist it around it and attach it just like that. Then go ahead and grab 4 balloons of the pink one. Make sure to make it small and make sure to keep doing it like that so you could do the same size. It's very important that you try to do it almost all of them the same size as possible. Then go ahead and do the same thing and tie 2 of them together and then twist it around. Then go ahead and grab your balloon and just tie your string all around it and tie it in the middle, just like that. Grab your pink balloon and put it on top, place it on top like that, and you're just gonna go ahead and tie it, just going around it. Make sure to stretch it a little bit hard because this is what's gonna keep them together, so make sure you attach them strongly. Then you're gonna continue doing this. You're gonna get another gold balloon and attach it to the top. Then go ahead and grab another 4 set of the pink balloon and attach it to the top. Continue with another set of gold and just make sure to attach it together tight, just like that. And then there you have it. That's your set. So then you're gonna go ahead and grab this pink balloon and you're just gonna go ahead and tie it on the top and just attach it like that, just going around it. Go ahead and grab 2 balloons and put them together. You're gonna do 2 set of pink and you're gonna take them together and just flip it around the same way I teach you before. Then go ahead and grab another set and just tie it with one of those long balloons and then tie it on the top. Then go ahead and grab the I love you sign and just put it through the O and just twist it around it like that. And there you have it. Then go ahead and take that and you're going to go ahead and do the same thing and attach it to the top like that with a string or with a balloon. Then go ahead and grab one of these balloons and your pump, and I'm just gonna go ahead and inflate my balloon. So when you do so, make sure you inflate the balloon all the way to the end. Don't leave it empty. Then go ahead and tie it and take a little bit of the air out so it could be a little bit more flexible, and then just go ahead and tie it on top together just like that. Then put it like that, side by side. And you're going to make sure that you do this that's almost the same size, all of them 3 like that. Then the way for you to know is just to fold it like that to make sure that you could get it the same size like that. And this is the hard part where you have to press it down very good and then you have to twist. And don't be afraid, just do it. And make sure for this one you get good balloons. I got this from Dollar Tree, so it doesn't come out as perfect as I would like it to be. Then go ahead and take a small one and just put a little bit of air and tie it. And you're gonna go ahead and just twist it on top like that. Then I went ahead and grabbed one of those the inside of the wrapping paper, and I just tied a balloon on top, just like that. Then go ahead and grab your long balloon, and you're gonna put it through it so it can hold it down, and then just roll it like that. Like, try to stretch it a little bit so it can come out good. Take your pump and put some air, and make sure you have to stretch it down so it doesn't come out like I did with mine, and then it will give you a curl. Then just go ahead and tie it, and that will be it. And that's how cute it turns out. So for the next DIY, I just went ahead and grabbed pink balloon, and I'm just gonna inflate them all the same size and tie 2 of them together like that. And this is all my set. I'm gonna make 4 sets of this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and attach them together and make it a set of 4 together like that. Then go ahead and get a water balloon and fill it up, and just tie it at the bottom of your balloon. Then take your string and put it in the middle, and then you're gonna just go ahead and attach your balloon to the top. Make sure to pull the string real good so it gets attached together. See, like that. So you're going to continue putting your balloon until you do the 4th set. Then go ahead and grab your mom, I love you mom balloon, and just go ahead and put it on top, put some string around it. I took this tulip, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out and fold it in half and just twist it a little bit at the bottom and just put it inside the balloon. Then go ahead and grab a flower and put it there. Look how cute it turns out. For the next DIY, I took this can and I spray painted it pink. And then I took this flower foam, and I'm just gonna go ahead and insert it inside. I'm just cutting it to make sure it's the same size that goes inside, just like that. Then go ahead and grab some tissue paper and just put it inside like that. And just put it up and twist it down like that so it can stick up like that. And put the rest inside. Then just go ahead and grab your flower. This one was the long flower. I just cut it out and put it inserted inside in the middle. Then take your balloon, cut it out at the bottom, and insert it inside. Just go ahead and place the other one on top. Then go ahead and grab another pink flower and place it at the bottom. And then I went ahead and took some tissue paper, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fold it like a little fan. Just hold it at the bottom and fold it like a fan, just like that. You're gonna do 2 of these. And you're gonna go ahead and attach it to the stick of the balloon on the back. For the next DIY, I'm going to just grab a foam board from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to go ahead and take my hot glue and attach a few flowers and the little branch on the side. Then I took this I love you sign. I'm just going to go ahead and put some hot glue at the back and then attach it to the board. This is very simple to do. Anyone can do it, and it looks super cute. And that's how it turns out. And this is how beautiful everything turns out. This is another way that you could do it. I show you different ways that you could place it. The long one, I just took a broomstick and I just attach it to the broomstick like that, to the ground and to the balloon. Then I took my table and I set up a tea. We're gonna have a tea party, just us. Then go ahead and make a picnic. For the bike, I just took that basket from Dollar Tree and I just go ahead and attach it to the bike and put some flour inside. Then grab some fruit, whatever she likes, some wine, and just make it special for her. This time that we have to stay home doesn't mean we can make our mother feel special. And this is how I did it, and she enjoyed it very much, and I hope you guys like it. And please do not forget to hit the like button and comment down below letting me know what you guys think. I know I'm not perfect on the balloon making. I am working on it to get better and to show you guys better things. Thank you again for watching.